Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to install your Windows 7 games like Purple Palace, Solitaire, and a lot more games from Windows 7, the nostalgic games, into Windows 10, as Windows 10 does not come with it. So what you're going to do is you're going to Google Chrome, okay, and paste this link in the address bar. This link is given in the description, so just copy it and paste it into your extra address bar. Click on enter. Should take you to a blog post. Here it says Windows 7 games for Windows 10 anniversary update and above. Okay, so here just going to scroll down looking for the download button. Right here. Okay, so the download button is right here, number 1. Okay, so just click on download, close the ad, scroll down here, click on download games. Okay, here let it download is 147 MB, so it will take a while, and trust me, there's no virus in this, so yeah. Okay guys, so I had to cut it short because this was taking way too long to download. So once it's downloaded, you can go into the folder, open the extracted file right here, and you have only one application right here, so you can extract that to your desktop. So this is the setup file. Close both that, open the application that we just extracted, click on yes, okay, it's going to take a while to load. Okay, here click on next, and you can see all of the games that are selected. You can deselect the games if you don't want it, so I'm just going to select all, and you can even select more games right here. So these are all not selected, so if you want the internet backgammon, checkers and spade, you can just select them as well. Okay, so just click on install, and yeah, you can uncheck this too, click on finish, and now you go into your start method, and you can see all of the games are added. So you can open Solitaire right here. There you have it. You have Solitaire on your Windows 10 PC. So that's basically on how to do it, guys, and yeah, thanks for watching.